I can't believe what you said to me last night we were alone. You threw your hands up, baby, you gave up, you gave up. I can't believe how you looked at me with your Johnny Walker eyes, in your tight jeans, with your long hair and your cigarette-stained lies. Could we fix you if you broke? And is your punchline just a joke? I'll never talk again. Oh boy, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. And I'll never long again. Oh boy, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. And after all the boys and the girls that we've been through, would you give it all up? Could you give it all up if I promised, boy, to you? Some men may follow me, but you choose death and company. Why are you so speechless?